Today we had a nature scavenger hunt. Students received scavenger hunt sheets with pictures, clipboards and collection bags to find items like leaves, rocks and flowers. Exploring in pairs or small groups, they demonstrated great teamwork and observational skills. After the hunt, we gathered the share and discussed our findings. Fantastic job, everybody.
Science. T technology. E engineering. M mathematics. STEM, STEM, STEM. STEM, STEM, STEM. S science. T technology. E engineering. M mathematics. STEM, STEM, STEM. STEM, STEM, STEM. STEM learning, put your hands up.